Okay, so here's the nest box over here with nothing in it. Just got done putting another camera in. You can see the camera. I have wired and wireless versions, but I'm using what I have. The wireds work a little better than the boxes anyway. Just because they can go back together. Yeah, the wired ones, when they set off triggers, if you don't have it set right, they don't run out of battery. And this here is my cinnamon nest. So she's got, looks like 7 eggs. You can see the camera in there. This is the most popular nest for that cinnamon. She's used it for a few years. This one's basically the same, just doesn't have a ramp. Well, that's just a little quick update on nest box cameras. There's also one, a wireless one in the far right wood duck box. And you can see one on the coop that overlooks the little pond. And I'm trying to think. I think that's all the cameras I have in here. Yeah. There's a wood duck using this rear box, but there's no camera in that one. And again, this year, well, that's the first time that someone's used that box. But the top left, no one's ever used. And these two here have been used in the past. So that makes now only one box never been used.